Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Commissioner of Income Tax versus Integrated Coal Mining Limited. This case has been reported in 456 ITR at page number 178. The matter has been decided by Calcutta High Court and the date of the judgment is 23rd June 2022. In this case, the assessee has the business of coal mining. During the previous year, the assessee has obtained a geographical report, and in obtaining that geographical report, the assessee has incurred an expenditure of 1.65 crores. The assessee capitalized this asset and claimed depreciation at the rate of 25%, which rate was applicable for the plant at that time. This case is related to the assessment year 2003-4. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the learned assessing officer was of the opinion that this geographical report is not in the nature of plant. The learned assessing officer was comparing that plant which is in the nature of machinery or in the physical form, and according to him, this geographical report which is in the paper form does not qualify as a plant, so depreciation should not be provided to the assessee. But it was the submission of the assessee before the learned assessing officer that this geographical report was very essential to start the business of the coal mining. Without this report, the assessee was not in a position to determine that in which area the coal mining will be useful for the assessee. So this report was very much essential for the business of the assessee, and since this report has an enduring benefit, so this report qualifies the definition of plant. Although the definition of plant is not given in the Income Tax Act, but it is a inclusive definition, and it cannot be said that only the machinery which is in the physical form or which can be touched and can be feel by touching it is plant. A number of the things can be incorporated into the definition of the plant. So when this matter came before the ITAT held that the geographical report, the expenditure on the geographical report is an intangible asset and it will come into the definition of a plant, and depreciation of 25% can be claimed by the assessee. The same issue was confirmed by the Calcutta High Court also. In this case, one more expenditure assessee has incurred during the previous year, and that expense was relating to the expenditure on developing the link road with the collaboration of the Jila Parishad. This expenditure was done because the assessee has to transport its coal from its coal mining to the various parts, and the link road was very much required, and it comes in the way of the assessee to its customers. So without incurring the expenditure on the link road, which was 3.57 crore in this case, the assessee was not able to transport its coal. So at the face, it can be said that this expenditure was very much wholly and exclusively for the purpose of the business, and since the assessee was not the owner of that road, so that expenditure cannot be capitalized and depreciation cannot be claimed. But at the same time, that expenditure can be claimed under section 37 subsection 1 because that expenditure is wholly and exclusively for the purpose of the business. So friends, in both the matters, the learned assessing officer has made the additions, but the ITAT allowed the depreciation and allowed the expenditure on the link road, and both the matters has been confirmed by the Calcutta High Court. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Commissioner of Income Tax versus Integrated Coal Mining Limited, and this case has been reported in 4 56 ITR at page number 178. The matter has been decided by Calcutta High Court and the date of the judgment is 23rd June 2022. Thank you friends.